hear meal prep, they usually think about spending 8 hours on a Sunday portioning out identical containers of chicken and broccoli. But there is a much more efficient way to get a return on your investment. This brings us to component prep and how to build a balanced meal using whatever is in your fridge. The goal of meal prepping is not necessarily to cook full meals, it's really about lowering the barrier of entry for your next choice. By prepping individual components, whether that's washing your non-starchy veggies, cooking a batch of grains, or grilling some chicken, you're creating a whole library of ingredients. And the ROI here is pretty big. On the back end, you're saving time, you're reducing decision fatigue, and you're reducing the likelihood of ordering takeout because there's nothing to eat. Let's look at how this works in practice with a fridge haul. For the base, you might have some leftover sauteed asparagus, or maybe a bag of baby carrots, or even some spinach greens. For the protein, you might have a can of tuna, some hard-boiled eggs, and some ground beef. For the carb, you might have some leftover roasted potatoes, some brown rice, or even a wrap. Now this is a low carb wrap, so I'm actually gonna pair it with some fruit to get some more carbs in. And for the fat, maybe you have some hummus, some mayo for the tuna, some olive oil to drizzle on some salad greens, or even some sliced almonds to throw on a salad. Now for this meal, I'm putting in some roasted red potatoes, some ground beef, and some asparagus. Now for this, I'm also gonna throw in some sliced bell pepper because I'm going to add a scoop of hummus for a little bit more fat. We have about 1/4 of the plate coming from a fiber-dense carb, about 1/4 of the plate coming from a protein, and about 1/2 of the plate coming from non-starchy veggies with some hummus for a little more fat on the side. Now for this one, I have this high-protein wrap that I got from Costco, but you can use any wrap. You don't have to use one that's high-protein. This was what was available for me. I actually wish that it had a little more carb, but it's okay because we're gonna add some fruit on the side. Now I mixed that tuna with mayo. I'm gonna add some spinach. I'm gonna wrap this up. That is wrapped up. I'm gonna add some carrots on the side. I'm also gonna add what didn't fit in the wrap. I could have made it fit, but I didn't want to break the wrap. So that is leftover of the can. And then I'm gonna add some slices of apple to have a little more carb. Make it a little bit more filling. Now I actually like throwing a little tahini on the extra tuna and then eating that with the carrots. So there you have another simple meal with meal components. By thinking in categories rather than recipes, we can throw these together in just a few minutes. You haven't cooked a new meal, but you've assembled a balanced one that hits on your protein, your fiber, and your healthy fat needs. Next time you're in the kitchen, consider asking yourself, what can I prep now that'll help my future self make a more supported choice? Even if it's just chopping a vegetable or making a pot of grains, that is a win. Ready to personalize this information for yourself? Schedule a one-on-one appointment with a JTA dietitian by scanning the QR code on the screen. We're in network with most major insurances, and coverage is typically 100% with zero copay, so stretch those premium dollars. Subscribe to this channel to continue growing in your nutrition knowledge, and give this video a like if you learned something new today.